method A, which is your starting point is at a supplier themselves. Now let's take a look at method B, which is the starting point is Amazon.com. Now I like method B better. For me, everybody's got their own business model. For me, method B works best because I like being able to see the global data from Amazon first. It gives me a bigger playing field to extract data from. So one of the advantages of method B, starting point Amazon, and this is the starting point, the reverse sourcing technology that Dan Metters and Eric Lambert from the Wholesale Formula, this is what they teach. It's called reverse sourcing. And I'm actually a student of the Wholesale Formula. And you can get some information on the Wholesale Formula at dealdivawholesale.com. So the advantage of starting at Amazon is it's based on immediate real-time Amazon data. You don't have to wait for a CSV file from a specific supplier. You have access to information from all suppliers that are selling on Amazon, right? So you start your search on Amazon by a specific keyword for a product or a brand, or in a category, or you go to bestsellers or hot new releases, or in a seller's storefront. There are a lot of different starting points you can start a search from. Once you start a search and you have search results on Amazon's on the website up in front of you on your computer, now I use a service called Jungle Scout. It's a one-time fee Chrome extension, and the cool thing about Jungle Scout is it extracts data directly from Amazon's catalog that I can use to find products and find wholesalers for those products, or find products to potentially private label, create my own private label. So another reason I like the starting point of Amazon.com is because it does dual purpose for me. I can use it for wholesale sourcing or private label product creation. So you click on Jungle Scout, which is just this, once you buy it, and it's a one-time fee, you install it in Chrome, which is going to be your web browser, and then you click on the Jungle Scout Chrome extension once you're on an Amazon page, and it extracts immediately right on your screen the number of sales per month for the products that are shown on your screen, the net profit per month, the rank of each of them, the number of sellers, the number of reviews and rating, and the buy box price, and a couple of other data. You can actually decide what data it shows you. And then you can click on a column in Jungle Scout to sort it by rank or sales per month. Those are the ones that I usually sort by. And then you can even extract that data into an Excel file if you wanted to. And then you can send that file over to a VA to find contact information for those suppliers for those products. So after I choose the promising products, I tend to go to those exact listings and review the listings one more time. I'll check camel, 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 and and look at the quality of their listings. And the reason I do that is to collect data on what that company's products listings look like. And if there are listings that clearly need improvement with images or description or bullet points or title, that gives me a starting point for a conversation with the supplier. So I can suggest to them ways that they can improve their sales on Amazon and talk to them about allowing me to do that for them and maybe giving me an exclusive or allowing me to be one of the few sellers that they'll allow to sell their products on Amazon. Listings and see how you can make them better in order to give you an advantage when you call these suppliers. So then you take that file, you can export it, or you can just take the couple of products that you've identified. You do a quick Google search for the supplier's website and to get their contact information. And you would do that by typing in the brand and then the word wholesale, or product and then the word wholesale. You can also, again, outsource this to a VA. You give them a list of a bunch of products, and you just ask them to find supplier information for these products. After you've got that information, you want to contact the supplier, set up your account, and then here's the cool thing. You can take method B, once you start on Amazon and you dig it down to finding that supplier, you can switch over to method A, and you can engage the power of method A after you've gone through method B. Right? So now you've contacted the supplier and set up an account. Now you can ask them for their CSV file of all of their products. And you can run that CSV file using method A, negotiate the best price, and place your order. So you see how method A and method B work together. I use method B as my starting point just because it gives me so much more power and more choices and options in the resulting data. And then I can incorporate after I've done my initial research on method B. And again, you can find out more about purchasing wholesale, sourcing wholesale at dealdivawholesale.com. And feel free to reach out to me on Facebook at the Deal Diva